How's it going, guys? Assad here, and you're gonna learn about template literals. So from ES6 you're gonna have a new literals. I talked about literals earlier, that boolean literals, string literals, but there is a new literal in ES6 called template literal. So what it is, there is this problem with the string literal. I'm gonna show that what is the problem. Let make const and message. So what we're gonna do is, this is my first message. So when we check on a console message, we can see this is my first message. If we want to change line, so what we're gonna do is use n. So when we do that, there is different lines, they are in different lines. And if we want to put this the semicolons, so what we need to do is this. But when we do this has got elephants. So what we do then, we need to use this characters like this, this, and put inside that, make one more character inside that, and we also need end the line here and add catenation so that we can catenate those two. Also about the yeah. And so when we do that, we get that this is my first message. But in template literal, we can do awesome things like the backtick character, this one, which is beside one, is it's below the skip button, the first button on the keyboard. This is what we're gonna do, is const another equals backtick character. This is my first message. And when we do that, type another, you can see that. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys next time.